Hi, I'm Autumn, your realtor for all seasons with the Anderson Group. Follow me today and I'll take you on a tour of the highlights of the Nashville neighborhood, known for its unique historic homes and easy, laid-back vibe. This is Lockeland Springs. Five Points is the west end of Lockeland Springs, named for the intersection where Woodland Street meets Clearview and 11th, a hub known for its notable restaurants, unique shopping, and of course, great live music. Lockeland Springs is a collection of nearly 1,500 residences located about 2 miles east of downtown Nashville. Here you'll find an array of architectural styles all coming together. You'll find historic Victorian homes, classic Tudor styles, and cool craftsman bungalows all coming together in one place. Are you ready to start your Lockeland Springs home search? Look to the professionals at the Anderson Group to help make your dreams a reality.